So what is Create Academy? Create Academy is an artificial intelligent web app which write perfectly readable content for you in any major niche in under 90 seconds, which allows you to get more traffic, make more profit and dominate your niche without wasting any time writing a single word for yourself. There are 6 major points on Create Academy. First, done for you content writing for all your sites in over 50 of the hottest niche. Second, never write content yourself or pay the expensive outsourcing rates ever again. Third, real artificial intelligence system that only needs 90 seconds to write you a 300 to 1000 words article. Fourth, first of its kind real AI content platform to hood KVZoo. Fifth, we guarantee you will not be able to tell your content was AI generated. And sixth, truly unique content that passes copy escape every time, guaranteed. So it is really possible for any artificial machine to produce quality engaging content for your site in under 90 seconds. So content is still king. We are in 2021 and this is just as true as it was 5 years ago, 10 years ago, 20 years ago, or even 30 years ago. You can't really build a business for survive in business without content. It's one of the main strategies all the business use to provide value, build up trust, get more traffic, get more subscribers, generate more profit, get more rankings and much more. In fact, quality content is more important now than it has ever been. With everyone being able to quickly access any and all content today on demand, you really have less than a second to capitalize them or lose them. However, actually creating content is a huge pain in the ass, right? Let's be honest, here most of us avoid creating content because it's a huge pain in the ass. Trust me, I know from first hand experience, and after using Create Academy, it is quite simple to create a good quality content within 1 minute or 2 minutes. This is an AI technology which will help you to create a master content for your niche, and it is very similar as an human, and no one can identify that it is created by an machine and not by an human. Hence why content is so important. The more content and value you provide to any specific niche, the more money you can make. So logically, the first thing I did when my site started making money was to invest all my profit into outsourcing my content generation. Outsourcing content comes with its own set of nightmares. Let me quickly share a big secret with you that most people will not tell you about hiring a content writer. All the really good content writers are really expensive. These are the elite writers which will require zero to very little editing per article they write for you. Be prepared to pay $25 to $50 for just one 400 to 500 word article. All the cheap content writers will send you content that will require so much editing on your part that it would have been better for you to have just written to the article by yourself. And finally, all the in between content writers are so busy that you are going to have to wait at least 10 to 14 days to get just one article written for you. So you have to skip all this time and all this money and all this effort by using Create Academy, because Create Academy creates a mind-blowing content for you in just 90 seconds. And I have a bonus for you. If you click the link in description and buy this Create Academy software, you will get an instant free bonus from my side. You will get a free ebook for improving content writing. And if you want to make some more efforts by creating yourself by creating content from yourself using Create Academy plus my ebook, you will get some of the best quality content you can never find on internet. So all you have to do is in the description and click the link and send me the screenshot of your purchase on my Instagram. The Instagram link is also in the description, and you will get one of the best ebooks in the market right now. So go in the description and check out Create Academy.